Fuck, wait, alright.
Kill.
Hey, wala.
Oh!
I'm sorry, bro.
I wanna.
I just set up my live on YouTube and then backed up and I died. Fuck.
All good. Hey, where you from, bro?
For sure.
No, like,
Welling half Devon's hack.
oh, snap.
Lil too.
My mom's side, Lela. Get them, Lela.
What are you like? You're half Kushain, half something?
Half Marshallese.
Hell yeah, bro. Pure micronation, pure. I'm telling you, bro, you're all pure. When you come to any country on a different world, on this world, different kind of countries, they all mix the fuck up.
Hey, you probably know my relative.
Who's it?
Yo, FSM, where you at right now? Where do you stay at?
I'll be right there.
Oh, okay.
I'm in Indiana, Jefferson Street.
Okay.
Indiana.
No, Tepe Fok. Tepe, Nesepe. Alexa.
Well, I think talking about
The twin. Yeah, bro, that's my grandma.
I'm 26 right
You know Jaylee, Alexa?
I'm on the wild side. I'm from Welland. All we do is fish and farm. We don't go around the
Farmers.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's the wildest side of the side, Welland.
That's a real one.
You know Vanessa? Walker?
I think I know them, but there's, like...
Yeah, they're from Utwe, not Welland, Utwe. Yeah.
I guess the Walker is from Udway.
Farmers.
Yeah, those in Udway, half of the Udway village.
Yeah.
We got enough for loading? Oh, we don't have time for
Oh, we got knocked.
Time to cover your tracks. There's an enemy team hunting for you.
I don't someone shot it from up there, bro.
I see him. Oh, I'm working, bro.
Right here, bro. I downed him.
Hell yeah.
Oh, one more behind us. Right here.
Ground, move it. Hostile dropping into the area.
Oh, he's on top. Third floor.
You lost the enemy trackers.
Drop money so I can buy that loadout.
I'll go buy him. Down him.
Ish, nice go, nice go.
I ain't got no damn gear. That is a shame, bro. I gotta get it.
Hey, dropping money for UAV.
What did you say? Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. You made the top 25. Nearly there. Allied cluster strike arriving.
Hey, he's down, he's down. Nice, nice. Hey, they're up there,
Yeah,
up top.
UAV active. Enemy UAV active.
On the roof, region.
Enemy UAV active. Gas is right on your tail. Allied cluster strike arriving. Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemy UAV active.
No. There's two people on me. Hmm? तो चला हो रहा है वो इंजन
You guys have TikTok?
Gas inbound. Safe
Yo, you
zone
guys have TikTok?
Buy station costs are adjusted. Move to the target area. You don't have all day. Enemy UAV
Do
active.
you guys have TikTok?
You ain't trying to
Victor?
protection?
Yeah, follow my shit. It's Mr. Michael, man. Come on now. Mr. Morales, my guy.
Dia control lagi kan?
I'm at 1,000 something already.
Kill me ya.
Enemy UAV active. Resurgence
Huh?
is about to end. Keep your head on a swivel. Enemy UAV active. Prices suspected. Gas is inbound. Enemy UAV active. Enemy UAV active.
You can buy a loadout or something. Damn, there's the gas station.
Enemy UAV active. Allied cluster strike arriving. Time expired. Second chances.
I'm with
Resurgence
you,
has been
Blue.
closed. Gas is moving. Enemy precision airstrike. Supply box located. Prepare to go prone.
Alright, bend over.
Exposed. Stay prone.
Yeah, all on ping.
Scanners spotted enemies. Make good use of it.
He said bend over.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, we can buy a loadout over here, bro. No, fuck the loadout over here.
Senses sharp. An enemy team is tracking your location. Scan start. Things are back to normal.
Coming to you, bro. UAV up
Enemy
there.
UAV
Recon
active.
inbound on my grid.
Enemy precision
Shit.
airstrike.
Oh my god, bro.
Objective identified.
Oh,
You've got gas. Allied cluster
You have to go and kill that guy.
You could buy at Harbor. Oh snap!
God, bro.
war zone.
Fuck, this controller sucks. I'm charging my real controller, bro. This motherfucker is light.
I see the enemy. To eliminate the bounty target. One of your allies is back in the game.
But I need a couple more towers, bro.
I got the loader right here.
Shit, people shooting at me like hard. Kill them right there. Right there.
Mark him, mark him.
I'm marking.
Okay, I saw.
Right there. Look, he's standing. Right there. You're reviving.
Hey, weak. There you go.
Nice. Adios, that's the team wipe. Oh, this cool guy's reach, bro. He's nothing.
Enemy soldier.
Oh, exactly.
Deploy. Reinforcements are on the way.
Okay, okay. Wait till he... Oh, what the heck? That guy left.
Contract is settled. Deploy. Enemy target. Come down.
Authorizing airstrike on my vector.
This is Phoenix 3. Strike inbound.
Enemy marked. Negative.
Gas moving. Precision airstrike missed.
All secure in the safe zone.
One member is redeploying. Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemy target is down. Marvelous. Enemies moving in. New safe zone highlighted. Bounty target is up. Take them down. Buy station costs are adjusted. Supply box located. Secure. Watcher 6. Resurgence will be gone soon. Squad member is redeploying. Prices are back to normal. Enemy UAV active. Gas is inbound.
Don't lag behind. Get safe.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy target is down. Marvelous. Enemy UAV active.
Oh, snap.
When I was younger, I wanted to be a hairstylist. Really? Yeah, I was like in elementary school on my home welfare. That's what I wanted to do.
Itu pula. Ah.
Yeah. Ooh, you so lucky, Kakak.
Oh! Fucking one shot.
Shit! Wow!
Aray, ko ano mo?
Sabi po kami.
Wow! Paano ka down?
Sila pasok? Alas.
Cement, Samuelo. Ay, siyam down.